Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader in XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Euro, USD, GBP, USD, GBP, JPY and others, you can also check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So at first, let's look at the forex sentiment meter, and here is our beloved gold. As you can see that 67% retail traders are still on the sell side and only 32% are on the buy side. And as we all know what is going on with the gold. Gold is right now standing at almost 1970 level. And here if you can see that the average selling price is 1855 and right now gold is at 1970 level. So my dear friends, if you have a sell position on gold, you should also know when to jump off a ship. My dear friend, the war is still going on. Though we have a temporary ceasefire, though there is a second dialogue between Russia and Ukraine, but still we do not have any concrete information. We do not have any concrete solution as of now. So if the war continues, then please exit from the sell position because you should also know when to jump off a ship. My dear friend, keep in mind, it's time to protect your capital, respect your hard-earned money. So please do not make the mistake if the uptrend in the market continues. Okay, because 1855 means I don't want to talk about it. Let's look at the chart of DXY. DXY is also very bullish, closed at 98.50. So if the same situation continues, okay, then yes, the next target for DXY US dollar will be 100. Okay, so nothing too much to talk about. If we see some sort of correction on DXY chart, then 98 will be the next level for DXY to take support and bounce, and then 97.40, the second support for DXY. But as I said, this is a news driven market, news sensitive market, so please be in touch with the news. If we see any good information regarding that news, that war is about to win, or any some kind of hope, then we may see some correction on DXY and chart of gold. Otherwise, if we do not get any good information about the end of war, then obviously the uptrend, the bullishness on gold will continue as well. After all, gold is considered as the safe investment option. As a result, we are seeing this bullishness in the market. Keep in mind, my dear friend, as long as the war will continue, there will be bullishness in the chart of gold. Yes, we have interest rate by Fed coming up on third week of March. Okay, till then, be bullish on gold as long as uh, there is no end to the war. Okay, so let's talk about the charts. Almost standing at a resistance of 1970. Okay, this is the resistance of gold here. The 1975 was the last high. But if you are thinking that gold will be reversing from here, then my dear friend, keep in mind this is a news driven market. Charts have at least the resistances have hardly any role to play here. Okay, if the war continues, the market will break 1975 level and it will go towards 2000, and once 2000 level will break, then it will head towards 2050. Okay, so gold is bullish, will remain bullish as long as we do not have any solution to the war. Okay, so if market breaks the level of 1975 on Monday and if it still remain bullish, take a buy position. If you see some sort of correction, if you see that there is selling pressure from above at the 1975 level, then you can take a sell position if you do scalp. Okay, if you know how to do scalping, then you can take a sell position. But if you are a beginner, new trader, if you're new to the market, you can avoid scalping because this is not a beginner's market. Beginners, new traders, those the traders who have very less capital right now, it's the best strategy for you will be to buy at dip only. Okay, buy at dip is the best strategy for you and the safest strategy also for you. If you take a sell position, let's say you take a sell position here, okay, then you're hoping that market will be going down. maybe you'll see one or two small red candles, but again market will form a big green candle and all your profits will be gone and your P&Ls, profit and loss statement, will be in red. So better do not make the mistake. If you do not have considerable experience in the market, then please do not take sell position until and unless any news comes out. Okay, so if you try to look for buy positions only, that's it. So where to take the buy position then? Okay, so let the market open on Monday and see how the market is reacting. If you see that market is going up, then yes, be ready to buy above 1975 level. Watch the market first, observe the market carefully. If you see that after a couple of hours market is trading comfortably above 1975 level, then you get the confirmation that yes, 1975 is gone and you can take a buy position. But on the other hand, after the market opening, if you see that there is correction on the chart of gold is going down, then try to take a buy position around 1940 level. Watch the market around 1940 level. Watch. Okay, observe the market and see. If you see that market is taking support near 1940 level, you get the confirmation that yes, 1940 is a good one. And if market bounces from 1940 level, that can be a good position to buy. But on the other hand, the selling pressure is high. If it breaks 1940 and all, then your next level will be around 1920. Okay, you may be thinking 1920 is too far, but keep in mind gold is very volatile right now. So please be ready for anything on the chart of gold. And most importantly, please use proper risk management and use stop loss. In this market condition, in this volatile market, trading without stop loss is like suicide. Don't make the mistake and please use proper risk management. After all, see, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Okay, so use your analysis as well. And that's it. Okay. And yeah, I would like to mention one more thing here. If you go to 1 hour chart, okay, there you can see that under 1 hour chart also we have few levels, but see in the on the 1 hour chart we have around 1944 level, but do not trust. Okay, you cannot trust the level of 1944 because that is very minor. Okay, it does not have the strength. But those who are day traders, those who are scalpers, okay, for them, if we go to the 15 minutes chart, okay, we have another level around 1960. So in case there is a correction in the market, okay, you can also watch gold around 1960 level as well. But keep in mind 1960 is not a very strong level, not at all a strong level. Okay, so if you take a buy position, be careful. Be careful and use proper stop loss as well. Okay, that's it. And you can see that three big surprises coming soon. Yes, three big surprises coming for my viewers. I'll be launching three things so that everyone can learn and earn at the same time. Bye bye, take care.